Okay, so now let's take our other example. Good. So now you can see that um, this is one example here. You can see what happened here. And then this is one example here you can see. So let's just work with this. Okay, let's work with this one. I think this is another example here. So if you have mastered it, your eye can just spot them. Look at this. Your eyes can just spot them. Master it, it becomes your strategy. It's very simple. You know, I have almost 5 profitable strategy. I'm just giving you this one for free. Okay. All right. So I use two basically. Amachi Advanced, Amachi Advanced. Amachi is already updated, so uh, you can get your own. Then Advanced Trend Line Strategy. That's my number one. You have price action, pure price action included in that one. You have ICT, you have engulfing, you have a trend line. Trend line is about 5%. I know most people like trend line, but it's very important in Forex, you know. So trend line is about 5%. But all this put together in my advanced trend line strategy, that's my number one strategy, which I use. So let's get into this particular one now. Now let's take our box, put it here at the very tip of the candle, extend to the future. Now you saw how price left that zone. You saw how price left it, had a little obstacle on the way and came back down inside there. Do you see now? From there, price came out again, began to move from there. So you can enter your trade. TP is this upper band. Stop loss is here. Now stop loss is for not for spike. Oh, okay. So if you want to use this strategy on crash and boom, make sure you are trading the spike direction. Okay, so that when market is like this is going up now, it can spike down. But this is a good example here now. This one here. Okay, so if you had this one, let me show you. If you had this one, it extend to the future, and then you see price came back down. Okay, sorry, that's okay. Let me get arrow. And then you saw price came back down, right? And then began to head back up again into that same zone, that box you drew. Fine. So by the time price comes back again from the zone into the band, you can enter here. Put stop loss above here. Stop loss can work when you're going. Why? Because you can see the price is moving up, not spiking. So when price get there, it cuts you off. Okay, then the spike can go normal. So normally I do only spike down. Okay, because so I can put stop loss and go away and put TP and walk away. But if I'm trading opposite, I stay to watch it. If it doesn't favor me, I close it quickly. Okay, that is how it works. You understand me? Good. So you trade the spike, use the strategy for spike trend. Then if you want to use for the opposite, make sure you stay there and watch it. Don't put stop loss. Okay. It can work on any market. This strategy I'm teaching you now for free. For free, 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 free. It can work on any market. Any market. Let's just take, I think I have some time. Let's just take one more example. I don't want this teaching to be more than 2 videos. Okay. So let me take one more example and then we'll wrap it up. This is free for you. All right. So let's take one. I always use this band. This band helps a lot. Oh my goodness. It is it is a no-brainer, man. Look at another example here again. You can see, first and foremost, price went up here, came to this zone. Okay, spend some time here. The moment you see it coming back down, just all you have to do is draw your box into the future from that tip like this. See how I did it? Into the future and wait 5 minutes time frame. This is 15 minutes time frame though. You understand? So look at price now. Price came back. Price came back, went up like this, came back down, and went back into that same zone. The moment he enters, there will be alert. He came back away from that zone. You enter with your stop loss here, and price gets down to your TP, which is a lower band, and you close that trade. So you always wait for uh, price because there's something that made price not to move further in the direction which it was going. You get it? So That is how it is. This is another good example. You can see how price went up here, came down, came down, and went back straight again into that same zone there. This zone here. You see. So when it's coming back down, all you just enter put a TP at this band here. Put a TP there and stop loss above the zone here. And then you are good to go. You are good to go. So look at another example here again. When price goes here, you draw the market into the future. Okay, into the future, and then you see price coming back down. Now, when price start coming back down, that's when you know it has left this particular zone. Oh. That's when you can draw. You don't draw when price has not come back down because price might still go back up again. You understand? So when price start leaving that place for like 2 candles or 3 candles, then you can draw your box into the future. You get it? And you can see how it played out. It came back to our lower band, if our zone, lower demand zone, went back again, just played a little and extended the set back into that same place we drew. Then you are looking for a sell. This is free. I know some of you won't need me after this. That's it. I like it. That's your new year package, okay? Then stop loss is up here. So when price leaves that zone, then you can enter. Your TP is lower band. This one was a long one. More money. But as simple as A, B, C. All you need is band. Number two, your rectangle, draw into the future, and your eyes to sense reversal and draw into the future. Now, be patient to wait for price to come back there. Okay, so thank you very much. Use it on any time frame you want to use it. It will work. Higher, lower, whatever. Thank you and take care. Okay, see you guys in my next video.